Good evening and welcome to Kolkata at the Eden Gardens. Bihar is taking on Chandigarh in the IDFC First Bank Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy 2025-26. Chandigarh, of course, have won the toss. They've elected to bowl first as expected. Playing 11s on your screen. Plenty of debuts for Bihar, 2 debuts for Chandigarh as well.
Vaibhav Suryavanshi, इनके ऊपर नजरें रहेंगी आज.
And with him, the captain, Shakib Ul Ghani, who will start at the non-strikers end. Experience with the ball in Sandeep Sharma, over 200 T20 matches, a star of the IPL as well. Unleashes, very first ball, and as is his style, starts with a 6. Pulled away, back-to-back maximums to start this innings.
ऊपर रखने की कोशिश की है, सामने पाए गए हैं बिल्कुल. अंपायर का इशारा आ चुका है वहां पे. पहली सफलता दिलाई है सूर्यवंशी के रूप में संदीप शर्मा ने.
Entertaining 14 for Vaibhav Suryavanshi as he walks back 15 for 1.
आयुष नए बल्लेबाज आए हैं. इस बार जगह थी और आसानी के साथ बाउंड्री में तब्दील किया है इस शॉट को. इस बार छोटा गेंद था, आसानी के साथ खाओ कॉर्नर की तरफ ये छक्का जड़ दिया है. सामने खेला है, कोई मौका नहीं मिड ऑन के खिलाड़ी के पास और 4 रन मिले हैं. यहां पे फ्लिक किया है, कमाल की टाइमिंग वहां पे शकीबुल द्वारा.
Shorter in length, but away from that deep square leg fielder. Back-to-back boundaries. Smashed away through the leg side yet again. A trio of boundaries.
पर यहाँ पे जगह बनाई जरूर है. उतना अच्छा टाइम हुआ नहीं पर रन जरूर मिलेंगे. जिस तरह के आउटफील्ड है, 4 रन मिलेंगे यहाँ पे. और इस बार फिर कवर के ऊपर से ये चौका आया है.
Goes straight down the ground, long on. Will be a spectator as it crashes into the sight screen to end the over. 6 overs done. That's the power play, 72 for 1.
Catch it!
Looks for the big one, long off, interested. Makes good ground and takes a safe catch. A spinner gets the breakthrough in his second over. And this 58-run partnership is broken.
That is going to be curtains for Loharuka. 25 to his name as Bihar slumped to 73 for 2. Left hand, right hand combination now restored in the middle again.
And that brings the big heave on the leg side. They do get the boundary. Unleashes on that one or tries to, finds deep mid-wicket. Well judged catch. He was right on the line, but he was well aware of his feet. And Turagvir strikes to send the skipper back.
Shakib Ul Ghani departs as Bihar lose their 3rd wicket with 87 on the board. Bipin Kumar Saurabh on strike. Ooh, how close was that once again? Almost elicited an edge of the left-handed Prakash did Raj Bawa.
बिल्कुल आगे रखा इस बार और चलता किया है प्रकाश को. चौथा झटका दिया है बिहार को.
And that is going to be the fall of the 4th wicket for Bihar with just 89 on the board. Oh, almost chopped that on did Bipin, living dangerously.
वो शुरुआत जरूर मिली थी, उसके बाद ये पारी लड़खड़ा गई है. 99 पे 5 बिहार.
Suraj Kashyap comes into the middle to steady the ship for Bihar.
This time, finds the gap, finds the boundary. It's gone up in the air. Mid-on, running back. Almost got a hand to it, but it's going to run away.
क्योंकि थर्ड मैन खिलाड़ी ऊपर था. 4 रन मिले हैं यहाँ पे बिपिन को.
This time gets into it and finds the gap as well. Back-to-back 4s. Steps in, takes it over square leg. Smart batting. This from Bipin Saurabh.
ये बेहतर है. यहाँ पे गैप भी ढूंढा है और 4 रन भी मिलेंगे यहाँ पे बिपिन को.
This time connects, and it's in the gap as well. Goes straight towards long on, and it's an easy catch. He's traveling at pace, but Manan Vora is an experienced campaigner. Not gonna miss that.
और विपिन को चलता किया 36 पर.
And Khalid is in. It's gone high into the night sky. Square leg, running back. Chirag Veer was brilliant with the ball, and that was a tough chance. And a wicket to add. Sandeep Sharma picks up a second one in this game. He'll finish with figures of 2 for 48 in his 4.
कश्यप जाएंगे वापस 20 रन बनाकर.
Bhanu Kumar walks in. Digs it in short. Doesn't go past the keeper. He'll finish with the single. It's been a brilliant final over from Jagjit Singh to contain Bihar to 157 for 7 in their 20 overs. A pendulum of an innings started in Bihar's favor. Bihar taking them to 157 for 7 after being put into bat.
The target 158. Chandigarh will know very well that they need a steady start and calm nerves to ensure they get a win on the board. Manan Vora, the seasoned campaigner, has been tasked with opening duties. Relative rookiness on the other in the form of Arjun Azad. Mohammad Izhar handles opening bowling duties. First ball underway. Good start, good competitiveness. Up and over goes Azad. First boundary of the innings comes off his willow. Oh, a glorious cover drive this time. Sends it skywards, does Manan Vora. Fielder settling underneath it and shells it. Goodness gracious me. One of the easiest regulation catches there ever will be in this sport, and that goes down as a drop. Vora goes leg side, exquisite swivel pull, and sends it packing over the rope. Vora goes big and bold, and Vora is making merry in this evening here at the Eden Gardens. Pulled away, Azad gets another 4. Vora sends this skyward once again. 2 fielders converging, and neither of them is able to get to it. Tough chance, sure.
फील्डर नीचे थे पर दूर रह गए कैच से. इस बार जगह बनाई, एक और बाउंड्री इनके नाम.
Tossed up and goes over mid-wicket. No fielder in that direction. Couple bounces into the fence. Finds the gap past point. Runs away.
आखिरी गेंद, यहाँ मौका था बिल्कुल. जिसके लिए आया था, अपने आप को लेकर आए थे, वो सफलता दिलाई है अपनी बिहार को. पहला झटका चंडीगढ़ को आजाद के रूप में.
Arjun Azad goes for a well-made 31, 72 for 1. Chandigarh. Skipper in at number 3. Pulled away majestically.
यहाँ पे छोटा गेंद था, आसानी के साथ बाउंड्री बटोरी है वहां बाउंड्री ने.
Bhamri goes big and he skied it. The bowler goes after it and well taken by Kashyap. The elevation was there, the distance not so much. And at long last, the second wicket falls for Chandigarh.
बामरी जाएंगे वापस 15 रन बनाकर.
Bawa, the new batter in. And that is going to be 50 for Manan Vora. An innings built on clean decisions and cleaner execution. A senior pro guiding this innings with real clarity. The dugout up on their feet applauds the effort. Vora goes big in the leg side. Chance of a catch for the fielder and taken. Good effort in the deep. And that is going to be the end of Vora's innings. The breakthrough comes right after he got to the 50-run milestone.
मन्ना वोरा जाएंगे 50 रन बनाकर वापस 110 पे 3 चंडीगढ़।
In comes Raman. He'll have a task on his hands. Nicely played by Raman Bishnoi. First boundary for this debutant from Chandigarh. Swivel pulls this one over the rope and gets a 6 to his name.
This time through the offside, 6 and 4.
In the middle of a 34-run chase, and that's going to be a wicket against the run of play. And it's the reintroduction of Malai Raj that does the trick.
Raman Bishnoi goes for 14, 144 for 4.
Gaurav Puri, the new batter in. Oh, that slipped out of the hands of Malai Raj. And Bawa got some connection, decent one in fact. Bawa goes leg side. The fielder puts in a chase in vain. 4 runs come off that stroke. Full toss driven exquisitely by Rajangad Bawa. Finishes unbeaten on 36. Do not forget those 2 wickets he took earlier in the evening. And with that, Chandigarh roamed to an emphatic 6-wicket victory with 8 balls to spare. What a terrific all-round performance has this been from Shivam Bhamri and his men. Chandigarh restricted Bihar to just 157. In the end, the 158-run target proving too easy for Chandigarh to